Hey guys, what is up? Bitcoinmining here. How you guys all doing? Hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I'm going to be BIOS modding my RTX 3080 Ti, and specifically it is an Inno3D iChill X3 3080 Ti. And some of you guys may remember this GPU that I reviewed a couple months ago, and I have an issue with it where it seems to be core locked or something from the factory. The BIOS won't let me go past like a certain number, and I can only get up to like 72 to 74 mega hash. It fluctuates all the time, but yeah, I can't get, you know, the theoretical 85 or 90 mega hash on this 3080 Ti currently. So there is a potential BIOS update that I want to attempt on this GPU, and we're gonna see how it goes, and I'm gonna go through it with you guys step by step. Should be pretty easy. We're gonna do it within hiveos, and before I do that, I want to thank Mr. Bitcoinminer. Just subscribe to him. I got a video recommended to me as he did a video December 7th called RTX 3080 Ti hash rate fix, and I did it. I did what he mentioned, and he was referring to a Reddit post, which I'll have linked down below, about this was posted a month ago. I can't believe I didn't see this, but it says EVGA 3080 Ti Xe3 hidden power limit. This is the issue that I'm having with this Inno3D 3080 Ti, where he says here he was doing the above, he was able to get 66 mega hash initially unlocked, right? But then after he BIOS modded it, he went up to 80, right? So it looks like that worked, doing the BIOS mod and going it through Windows. Actually, I think he explains here that you should do it through Windows, but I'm going to be trying it through hiveos. All right, so through the overclocking tab, we're gonna do all these steps here. Okay, so thank you, cryptocurrencies. Thank you for this, my friend. Just subscribed, and guys, go subscribe to him down below. I have a link down below. I want to see him over 5,000, 10,000 subscribers, as he does. I think he's the best like LHR content creator out there. He covers a lot of different LHR stuff for different miners, very thorough on all different 30 series cards. So awesome stuff, cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much, man. All right, let's go, guys. So I want to download the BIOS that this guy is talking about, and there was a link which Donkey Miner mentioned as well on Tech Power Up. Okay, so it was a post down right here from Mr. Matt Helm 644 22 days ago as a recording. So I clicked on this, right? I clicked on it, and then it went to the Tech Power Up EVGA RTX 3080 Ti 12GB BIOS. It says here you are viewing an unverified BIOS file, but that doesn't matter. We're going to download it anyway. So scroll to the bottom, we're going to hit download, and I'm just going to keep it in my downloads folder. All right, so that's there. Next step that I want to do is I want to download the BIOS, the original BIOS from the 3080 Ti that I have mining right now, the Inno3D, right? So what I'm going to do in hiveos, since I have this rig in hiveos, I'm going to stop it, and then I'm going to go to overclocking tab, and we're going to download the, I guess, the stock VBIOS. All right, so you're going to hit that, and then yeah, the 3080 Ti, hit download, and it should come up as a link to click on it and download it, and I'm going to just keep it in my downloads folder. Definitely you guys should keep it in a safe place. And there we go. So here is the download. You should see it like this. We're just going to simply click on it, and a prompt should come up to let us download it or save it in the downloads folder. So it looks like it's taken a little bit. Yeah, there we go. And we're just going to simply save it wherever you guys like, right? Keep it in a good place. Okay, so that's downloaded. Now, so the rig is stopped. It's not mining, so that's good. We're going to go back to overclocking. We're going to go back to Flash VBIOS. All right, so we just did the download one. Now we're going to go to Flash VBIOS. And I forgot to mention, you guys, do this at your own risk, okay? This may brick your 3080 Ti. Do it at your own risk. And don't blame me. Don't come to me if you brick it, all right? And I think the Reddit post also mentions that as well. And also Crypto... Donkey Miner also mentioned that in his 3080 Ti video, so I'm gonna have to mention that, just a disclaimer. Anyways, we're gonna now go to the VBIOS ROM file. So we're gonna choose the one that we downloaded from Tech Power Up, which is this one here, 236371. Click on that, click on open. Okay, that's selected. Now we're gonna go to the GPU index here and choose the 3080 Ti. Make sure you choose that correct one. And I'm also going to click on force flashing, ignoring security checking. Then we're going to hit upload. And this is going to BIOS mod that card. Okay, so I'm going to do it. Let's do it. Risky stuff. This is risky stuff. Okay, so don't touch anything. Just leave it here. I'm just going to leave it here. And we're going to come back until it changes the message here, guys. So meanwhile, while that's going, I just want to mention, if you guys are watching this right now, there is a massive giveaway I'm going to be doing in a live stream tomorrow, December 11th on Saturday, 9 a.m. Pacific, 12 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, we're giving away about $8,000 worth of OctoMiner cases and swag and everything. We're giving away X12 Ultra high spec rigs, 2 of them, X8 Ultra server cases, and another X2 X8 Ultra Plus rigs. Okay, plus a bunch of OctoMiner swag bags, 10 of them, and that's going to be really fun. And at the beginning of that stream, OctoMiner is going to be removing the minimum order quantity of 5 to 1. All right, so for those that wanted to order one, just one, you guys can do so, and it'll only last for 3 days until midnight, till December 12th. All right, so, and there's a $50 coupon code coming during the live stream. So guys, stay tuned for the live stream on my YouTube channel. Just go to my channel and you should see upcoming live streams that yeah, that's going to be happening live. You have to be there live in order to win. Okay, so read the rules, contest rules down below. I'm not going to read it in this video, but anyways, let's go back to hiveos here. And it said ROM flashing okay, now reboot. All right, so I will, yeah, you want to reboot the rig. So we're going to go at the top here, power actions and reboot. There we go. And now we're just gonna wait for it. And so I did not have the clocks that I had here were the ones that I did for my 3080 Ti to get 74 mega hash. I did try crypto donkey miners overclocks. Okay, 1200 core, 2600 memory. So we're gonna do that right now. Actually, we're gonna do that after. I want to see what hash rate we can get, and then with my minus 200 and 2000, and then if that's not good, then I'm gonna apply the crypto donkey miners hash rate, because overclocks, because I want to see what the difference is. But when I applied his, like with my stock BIOS, my original BIOS, 1200 core, absolute core clock, and 2600 memory, the hash rate dropped. It dropped to like 68, 69 mega hash for me. Okay. So anyways, looks like the rig is booting up. All right, so yeah, a few seconds ago. So we're gonna let that go. It's been about a minute or 39 seconds, and look at this. We're getting 89 mega hash now. Oh my God, this is crazy, but at 312 watts. But this is the overclocks that I'm using, which is not right. It's not good, but this is a good sign. I have not been able to get this number before on this 3080 Ti. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply Crypto Donkey's overclock, absolute core clock settings here, 1200 core, 2600 memory. So let's just do this live right now. So let's go here. We're going to go just the singular overclock tab here. We're going to go 1200 and 2600 memory. I'm going to keep the fan the same because where I'm mining right now in the basement, it's getting hot. And it looks like it's at 87 mega hash now, but it's going to take a bit. It's going to take a bit. So we should see a drop in power consumption. Okay, and so I'm just gonna let that go for a little bit longer. Oh man, this is really amazing. Crypto Donkey, just thank you again, man. Guys, please go subscribe to him. Really appreciate it. He's got amazing videos about LHR, very in-depth, like about every single GPU, overclock settings, even in Windows, just a bunch of stuff. This guy is awesome. Really, really good stuff. Crypto Donkey Miner, thanks again, man. Okay. All right, guys, let's keep refreshing this. And yeah, looks like we dropped 286 watts now from over 300. So that is a good sign. And I'm guessing we should hit over 90 mega hash soon. So we're at 88 right now. You know what? Let's just give it a bit. It's probably just auto tuning right now. Okay, it's been just a couple minutes and it looks like, yeah, we're at 91 mega hash now on this 3080 Ti. This is crazy. I mean, the efficiency though, I mean, if we're comparing it to other GPUs, it's not great, right? I'd probably rather buy a 3090, but obviously the prices of those are insane. I mean, even 3080 Ti prices are insane right now. So obviously this is just for mining Ethereum. Now, actually, now that I think about it, since I did the video of the 3080 Ti, the Inno 3D, which was which was gimped. I knew it was gimped at the factory, the BIOS. Now that we've updated the BIOS, we're gonna try. I'm gonna remake the video, and we're gonna compare the hash rates that I got before or something, and you know, do all the different hash rates, even for Ravencoin, because I think I was hindered on Ravencoin as well with the stock BIOS that I had. But now that we BIOS modded it, it should be much better. So wow, this is, yeah, we're getting over 90 mega hash now on this 3080 Ti. We're using trexminer. You guys can see I'm mining on unminable ethhash. You know, I'm just mining a little bag of Shiba Inu, and link down below if you guys want to try it out on unminable. It's pretty easy. There's a how-to on their website. But anyways, again, thank you to Crypto Donkey Miner for this fix that I just didn't see. I haven't heard of it. That I knew there was a BIOS update, but I didn't chance it. I didn't want to do it because I didn't want to brick my GPU. But you guys saw I did it through hiveos here. And again, disclaimer: you may brick it. Okay, just it's a big risk if you're gonna be doing this BIOS modding through hiveos. Even I think I saw people talking about on that Reddit thread that they did it in Windows and it bricked as well. So I guess it's not safe to do it either way in hiveos or Windows. Just be careful. I don't know which GPU brands are okay to do this on. Okay, so that's another thing to be wary of. So yeah, this one I did was on a Inno3D X3 3080 Ti. All right, my friends, thanks for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Have a good one, and see you tomorrow in the Octominer live stream for the giveaway, $8,000 worth of cases and swag. Peace, guys. Peace.